Hello everybody! We're doing a quick update because we have not been on YouTube and we have not been editing videos, but we have been working. So let me show you what we have gotten done. There's the roosters.
Started building seating.
Well, we got it painted. We got the walls up. We haven't even gotten those videos done. We've got to do those voiceovers.
Got the roof done.
Oh yeah.
Beautifully done. Love the new paint job.
Yeah.
Everything just looks so new.
I gotta make stickers for that, so we know when we turn the AC on what's what.
Yeah.
But I have a silhouette, so we're good.
And we took pictures.
Yep. And we ordered our canvas from Bear Creek, and we have that. So once we get everything else done, all new canvas. Goodbye dry rotted canvas, where if you pull this a little too hard, it rips in half like that right there. Yay! And it's gray, and it goes with our whole thing. Mm-hmm. All right, show them what you got.
Oh yeah, my Craig jig. This thing is phenomenal. If you want to build cabinets or build anything real nice, I suggest this is a good tool to purchase. I was able to do my toe joints. Everything's nice and towed together. This one's not. This is, I actually screwed this one to the wall and this to the wall, but I did tow everything into it prior to. Haven't done these yet. Still debating on.
Yeah, we're gonna so the plan is we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna look for tubs, and so we've got to find a tub that fits in this so that we can easily just pull the tub out and take it outside to whatever we need it to do. Like that could be just all of our grilling and cooking materials. So, and then oh, show him the Shelby thing. This thing.
Oh.
So this is an original piece that we're keeping from the old camper that's going into the new one.
I'll be building the shelf right here.
Mm-hmm.
So this will come down. And then you got seating. I'll have a fire extinguisher and a receptacle with USB ports in it so the kids can lay their cell phones up here. Charging system. Good to go.
Oh, yeah.
Just like that. I'm going to be able to slide the bed in and out right over the top of it.
That's going to look great. You want to put the seats up for them real quick so they can see it? So this is not done, we're just getting it done, but we're almost there.
So this would be the back. It'll sit flush better when we get the plywood lids in.
Yeah, we're going to do piano hinge lids. That is going to be adorable. And so we'll make another hard cushion like this one right here, but then we're just going to take some body pillows and sew them into this kind of material and just use a soft backing, and then it can also be used as a body pillow, as it will be. And we'll just take two of them and stuff them from side to side and make them fit.
And the table will go right here.
That's right. And then we're almost done rebuilding. Slowly but surely.
Seating here, table here, and seating all around.
Yep, like a 1950s U-shaped booth.
We'll have a longer kitchen cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
And or I can make it even taller right there. Actually.
Oh, remember we were talking about doing a trash can that we could just pull in and out.
Yeah, we could do it right now.
We're going to look at drawers. But that's, you know, we're slowly but surely getting there. So don't pay attention too much to this paint job. It's just a quick job to seal it in. None of this, except for this side, is going to be seen. So we might repaint this over here and give it a second coat. And then I'm going to get all of this painted as well. I'm going to get all the wood paint. I don't want it to be wood and then gray walls and then floor. I want it to all be unified.
As I build it, you can paint it.
Alright guys. So we're update as much as possible, but we work, we have kids. I'm a photographer and it's wedding season, so
She's
just
short and I'm tall.
And so it's a little harder in the spring for me to stay on top of the editing, because we do film probably way more than what you see. And then we do a lot of voiceovers, which he has to be very meticulous about because that's who he is. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, well, more videos are coming soon. We're definitely getting work done.
Bye.